Hello friends, this is Dr. Shilpa Gawande. Today we'll discuss about the filter media from the filtration topic. Now what is filter media? Filter media, it is a surface on which the solids, upon which the solids are going to deposit in the filter. That is called as the filter medium. So when you filter any slurry, that solid is going to deposit on the media. That media, it is called as the filter media or the filter medium. Now what are there should be some ideal properties of the filter medium. That first ideal property, that it should be capable of delivering the clear filtrate at a suitable production rate. Should be capable of delivering the clear filtrate. You should get a clear filtrate from that filter media. Second one, it should have a sufficient mechanical strength. It should have sufficient mechanical strength. It should not get torn when you are going to filter that that slurry. That due to the heavy weight of that slurry, that filter media should not get torn. It should have sufficient mechanical strength. Then it should be inert. It should not react with any material of the slurry. It should not react with the slurry. That it should be inert one. Next ideal property, that it should retain the solid without plugging at the start of filtration. नहीं तो ऐसा होगा कि जैसे ही तुम स्लरी डाल रहे हो, उसके जो पोर्स है वो प्लग हो जाएंगे, क्लॉग हो जाएंगे, एंड द रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन विल बी वेरी रिड्यूस्ड. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट रिटेन. हाँ, डेफिनेटली आफ्टर सम टाइम सम ऑफ द पोर्स मे गेट क्लॉग, बट एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द फिल्ट्रेशन द सॉलिड शुड नॉट प्लग द filter media. Then it should not absorb dissolved material. That filter media should not absorb the dissolved material. And sterile filtration, it is important while special requirement, since the pore size must not exceed the dimension of the bacteria or the pores. So sterile filtration जो है कि in that the sterile filtration that imposes a special requirement. Sterile filters जो रहते हैं, there should be a special requirement. What? कि the pore size, it should not exceed the dimension of the bacteria or the spores. So it should be very smaller in size. So these are the ideal properties of the filter media. Now what are the materials which are used for the selection of the filter media? The first one, that are the woven materials. Now we can see here the material. Generally they are made up of either silk, wool or metal or synthetic fiber. Metallic what we can say wires are also used. Synthetic fibers like rayon and nylon are used. Then generally what this woven material, either the wire screening is there, जो हमारे सीव्स रहते हैं वायर से बने हुए, मेटल से बने वो रहते हैं, या फिर फैब्रिक से बने हुए सीव्स, फैब्रिक्स विच आर मेड अप ऑफ द कॉटन, नाइलॉन और वुल. जनरली वायर स्क्रीनिंग जो है, दैट इज एग्जाम्पल स्टेनलेस स्टील. इट इज ड्यूरेबल एंड इट इज रेजिस्टेंस टू प्लगिंग एंड इजीली इट कैन बी इजीली क्लीन. बाकी जो मेटल वायर्स रहते हैं, देर मे बी चांसेस ऑफ द what we can say corrosion of the metal. Second thing, if you use the pure metal, it is very costly. Like aluminium, it is costly. Copper is very costly compared to the stainless steel. So generally stainless steel जो है वो prefer करते हैं because it is durable, it is non-corrosive in nature, it resists the plugging and it is very easy to clean also. And it is also what we can say economic. Then in case of the fibers, cotton is a common filter. Cotton, we use cotton for the filtration. Second thing, nylon we can use in the pharmaceutical use, since there are less chances of that nylon get unaffected by the molds or fungus or bacteria. There will not be any bacterial growth or fungal growth on the nylon wire, and has negligible absorption properties. While if you consider the cotton may absorb some what we can say filtrate. We have to what we can say that cotton, but cotton is also a common filter as it is inert in nature and it is readily accessible. But in case of the many pharmaceutical industries, nylon it is preferred because of these reasons. Then the choice of the fiber, it depends on the chemical. Which type of the chemical you are using, which type of the chemical you are going to filter, depending on whether you have to use silk, whether you have to use wool, whether you have to use synthetic fibers or metal. The choice, it depends on the nature of the material. Second thing, perforated sheet metal. Perforated sheet metal, metallic sheets are there which are having the perforations. जैसे कि stainless steel plates are there. They have pores which acts as a channel in case of the meta filters. Specific filters are there. In that case, these pores are used and they are called as the perforated metal sheets. Sometimes the beds of the granular solids are also used as a supporting medium. कि bed of the graded solids they are formed to reduce the resistance of flow. जैसे कि example it is the तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा कि ग्रैन्युलर सॉलिड्स ऑफ ग्रेवल या फिर सैंड या फिर एस्बेस्टॉस या फिर पेपर पल्प और द किसलगर, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द ग्रैन्युलर बेड्स. जैसे कि या फिर सैंड लगाते हैं और सैंड के ऊपर से हम लोग फिल्टर करते हैं, या फिर ग्रेवल्स आदर या कंचे रहते हैं जो बॉल्स रहते हैं, वो बॉल्स भी ग्लास बॉल्स जो रखते हैं और उसके ऊपर से फिल्टर करते हैं, सो दैट द इंटर पार्टिकुलर स्पेस जो है उसमें से द मटेरियल इज गोइंग टू फिल्टर आउट, राइट. सो these are the examples of the granular beds. Then choice of the solid, it depends on the size of the solid in process. If the solid, what is the size of the solid? Very fine solids cannot be filtered by the bed of granular solids, but the bigger size particles can be easily what we can say filtered by this filter media. Then prefabricated porous solid unit. Now in this case it is very convenient and effective method. In this case examples are the sintered glass, sintered metal, earthenware, मिट्टी के पॉट जो रहते हैं वो, on porous plastics they are used for fabrication. So through these also we can filter out the medium. Sintered glass are there, sintered metals are there, earthenwares are there. इसमें से हम लोगों को what we can say porous, we can say prefabricated material या solids हम इसको बोल सकते हैं. And next is the membrane filter media. Membrane filter media generally they are used for pore size of 100 micrometer or even less than 0.2 micrometer. And generally it is used for the membrane filtration for the sterile media it is used. Now in this case we can go for the surface cartridge and the depth cartridge. ऐसे दो टाइप के membrane filters are there. Surface cartridge जो है these are corrugated and resin treated papers and they are used in hydraulic lines. Ceramic cartridge, porcelain, these are the examples of this type. And depth cartridge they are made up of either cotton or asbestos and these are the disposable items. We cannot use उसको वापस यूज हम लोग नहीं करते. एस्बेस्टॉस, सेल्यूलोज, कॉटन से ये बने हुए हैं. सो दीज आर द मेम्ब्रेन फिल्टर मीडिया. नाउ नेक्स्ट, so this is about the filter media. Generally a short note is asked in the examination ki write a note on filter media. Now the next point is the filter aid. Now what are the filter aids? Now filter aids, now what happens when we go for the filtration process? So after some time there are chances of the what we can say clogging of the particles in the filter paper, and due to that the rate of filtration what happens decreases because of the choking of the filter paper or filter media. So what are the filter aids? These filter aids are going to prevent the filter media from being blocked. It doesn't allow the filter media to get blocked. That is the main function of the filter aid. So the objective of the filter aid is to prevent the filter media from becoming blocked or from being blocked and to form an open porous cake, hence reducing the resistance to flow of the filtrate, right? So this is the main objective of the filter aid. Now filter aids, they forms a surface deposit. They forms a surface deposit which screens out the solid and also prevent the plugging of supporting filter medium, right? Now what are the characteristics of the filter aid? Now see, chemical aid should be inert, it should be free from all impurities. This is the first and main important character. It should be inert one and it should be free from impurities. It should have low specific gravity so that it will remain suspended in the liquid. It should be porous rather than the dense, because it should form a porous cake so that cake will solid material will not choke the filter media. So the pervious cake can be formed and should be recoverable. These are the advantages. There are certain disadvantages of filter aid also, that it removes the coloring substances by absorbing them. If the slurry contains any coloring substances, that can be removed by the filter aid because it has a tendency to absorb that colored substances. Then second one, sometimes the active principles such as alkaloids are absorbed on the filter aid. So in case of the alkaloids, don't go for the use of the filter aid. And rarely, see, it is rarely that the filters are a source of contamination such as soluble iron salts, which can provoke degradation of sensitive ingredient, but this is very rare thing, right? So this is what the filter aid, definition of the filter aid or objectives. Then handling of the filter aid, how we can handle. Now we can go for both the techniques. Either you can go for the pre-coating technique. Pre-coating technique में क्या करते हैं, एक 1% सोल्यूशन बनाते हैं और 1% solution of only filter aid, and first of all the filter aid is filtered through the filter media. तो क्या होगा, there will be formation of a porous cake on the filter media. porous cake फॉर्म हो जाएगा फिल्टर मीडिया के ऊपर, और फिर उसके ऊपर से हम लोग उसमें स्लरी डालेंगे. तो क्या हो जाएगा, स्लरी इज गोइंग टू filter through that filter media, but on filter media there is a coating, pre coating of the filter aid. तो क्या होगा, फिल्टर मीडिया के पोर्स जो है वो ब्लॉक नहीं होंगे. देयर विल नॉट बी ब्लॉकिंग ऑफ द फिल्टर मीडिया, बट व्हाट द फिल्टर एड ने जो कोट बनाया हुआ है वो कोट के थ्रू द मटेरियल इज गोइंग टू फिल्टर आउट. सो डायरेक्ट जो प्रेशर है वो फिल्टर मीडिया पे नहीं आएगा, वो प्रेशर जो है वो फिल्टर एड पे आएगा. सो लाइफ ऑफ द फिल्टर मीडिया विल इंक्रीज. फिल्टर मीडिया जल्दी टॉन नहीं होगा, जल्दी ब्लॉक नहीं होगा, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ द फिल्टर एड उसकी लाइफ जो है वो बढ़ जाएगी. दिस इज वन टेक्निक. सेकेंड टेक्निक क्या है, दैट इज द बॉडी मिक्स टेक्निक. इसमें क्या करते हैं, जो स्लरी तुमको फिल्टर करनी है, that in that slurry you directly add the filter aid, either in the proportion of 0.1% to 0.5%. 0.1 से लेके 0.5% तक के proportion में तुम वो slurry में directly filter aid को add करो, and then you go for the filtration. This slurry is recirculated through the filter until the clear filtrate is obtained. And in this way again there will be a porous cake formation, and due to that the life of the filter media will increase or it will enhance, right? So this is handling of the filter aid. So you can use these both the techniques for the use of the filter aid. Now different flow rates you can achieve by using this. You can go for the low flow rate also, and you can go for the fast flow rate also. Generally if you need a very clarity, अगर तुम्हें clarity चाहिए then go for the low flow rate. अगर तुम्हें acceptable filtrate चाहिए then you can go for the fast. Generally coarse अगर ग्रेड के filter rates रहते हैं तो fast तुमको flow rate मिलता है. अगर fine grade के रहते हैं, बहुत जो fine है, तो वो fine filter aid में से टाइम लगता है सॉल्यूशन को बाहर निकलने में, लेकिन इसमें क्लैरिटी ज़्यादा रहती है compared to the coarse filter aids. And the examples of these filter aid, the famous, what we can say, or the most popular filter aid, that are the Kieselguhr. It is also called as the diatomite. Natural siliceous deposits are there, and the perlite. This perlite, it is nothing but the aluminium silicate. Then second one, it is the cellulose, asbestos, even charcoal, talc, bentonite, then fillers, earth. These are the examples of the filter aids. These are used as filter aid to enhance the life of the filter media, as well as to prevent the filter media from blocking, right? So this is the use of the filter aid. So generally always in the exam the questions or the short notes are asked on the filter media. You write a short note on filter media or write a short note on the filter aid. So you have to go for the definition, ideal characters of the filter media, then what are the properties, then what are the material you can use for the filter media, advantages of each and disadvantages of different materials which are used in the filter media, and in the same way the filter aid also you have to write. So if you like this video, Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. So thank you very much.